Social media rules, the government has released the draft digital personal data protection rules. What stands out is the regulation that children need verifiable consent of parents to open social media accounts. As per the government, this will doubly ensure the privacy of a child on various social media platforms as well as other websites. The government has also said that the new rules are open for consultation. Is the pitch coming in from the central government as it tries to tighten up social media protection, something we've seen in other parts of the world as well. So that is the pitch coming in from the central government. So what it has stated in these draft rules is that there should be verifiable consent for children to access social media as well as other websites. I'm joined by my colleague Aman Sharma on the broadcast to get more details. So Aman, clearly around the world we are seeing moves by several governments to ensure security for especially children on social media platforms, and the government clearly moving in the same direction. Even though it's put out these draft rules, it has said it is open to consultation.
Well, Aishman, certainly the privacy of children on various social media platforms as well as websites is of top concern to the government. We've seen Australia, in fact, earlier ban social media for children. And, the government had brought the Act to Parliament. The Digital Personal Data Protection Act was brought to Parliament and passed in 2023. It has taken almost 1.5 years of consultations to now come up with the draft Digital Personal Data Protection Rules, on which comments have been sought till 18th February by the government. And the highlight of these rules is that a data fiduciary, which is, any social media platform, any website, will have to ensure verifiable consent of the parent before processing any personal data of a child. This means if any child goes to any website or goes to a social media platform and wants to, give his personal data here in order to log in or in order to join the social media platform, it is the liability and the obligation is on the data fiduciary to ensure that, the consent, verifiable consent of the parent is taken. The government, in fact, in these rules, Ayushman has painted 4 scenarios also in which how this verifiable consent needs to be taken from the parent, and only then will the website be able to process the personal data of the child. So very, very significant step, and over a month has been given for comments on this. Let's see how the government proceeds with this. But as I said, the top priority of the government is to ensure the privacy of children and their data on various social media platforms.